Hey y'all, welcome back. Today I'm going to try to get this quick little AV project done. This has been on my list for a long time, but today I'm going to try to get a Sonos bar installed in my bedroom. So in the bedroom currently, we've got two Sonos Play 1 speakers on either side of the bed. They are facing in so we can listen to music while we're in bed, but it'd be super nice to be able to watch TV also. So, one of the interesting things about Sonos is that you do need to have audio come from eARC via HDMI. It doesn't work over Bluetooth, and you can't, even if you have a Sonos port, you can't send an analog output from your TV into Sonos world. So that's the only way that you can get Sonos audio from your TV into Sonos land. So I've been meaning to do this for a long time. So I'm going to mount a bar below with a Sonos mount, and we're going to feed that from eARC. So here we go. All right, y'all, we got the TV off the wall. So here's what we've got back here. I've got 3 gang wall outlet back here. I've got four AC outlets, 2 USB A's for charging, and then I've got 2 Ethernet ports back here. So the TV is hardwired via Ethernet. Sonos is going to be hardwired also. Pardon my exploratory holes up here. That was just finding the studs to get the TV mounted initially, but what that did tell me is where the studs are, so all I have to do is just follow that down so I can mount the bar. So the first step here is going to be getting some holes cut in the wall. So I'm going to put some low voltage old work boxes in with little brush panels so that I can get the power up from the Sonos, Ethernet, and HDMI that feeds the Sonos from ARC. So we'll get that going. All right, everybody, that wraps this one up. So here we can see the speakers nice and on the wall. Here's a shot from way in the back there just to show how tight we got that cabling. That little brush plate back there. So this is it. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thanks for stopping by.